Horehound is an herb that has traditionally been used as a remedy for a variety of different ailments. But you're probably wondering, is it effective in providing a boost for your lungs and respiratory system? That is exactly what we are going to discuss in this video. So, if you're ready, let's get into it. Horehound is an herb that comes from the mint family and is actually a common ingredient in cough drops and cough syrup. That is because its natural properties work as an expectorant to aid in the removal of mucus and phlegm from the airways. This means that it would be useful for those with allergies, sinus infections, chest congestion, and those with excess secretions in the back of their throat. Many people use this herb for treatment of the common cold and a persistent cough as well. The most practical way to consume horehound is as an herbal tea, or you can add a few drops of concentrated extract to other beverages as well. Some people even use this herb to make their own cough syrup by finely chopping up the leaves and mixing them with alcohol and honey. So if you're interested in creating your own DIY concoction, this may be something to look into. Horehound can be purchased as a supplement from a local pharmacy or from online retailers such as Amazon. I'll drop links to some of our favorite Horehound products down below in the description, so definitely check those out if you're interested. With that said, keep in mind that we are not doctors and this video is for informational purposes only. Real quick guys, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. And while you're down there, go ahead and click the subscribe button as well because we have a ton of other videos on our channel that I think you will enjoy. Just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. And if you want to dive deeper and learn more about this topic, you can go to respiratorytherapyzone.com where we have a ton of free study guides, practice questions, and other helpful resources. I'll drop links to everything you need right below this video down in the description. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.